ready. Oh my god, see my highlights. The only sad thing about this highlights is that in the video, when I was recording the video, it was gone, like just gone. It wasn't recording when I was recording it, and I don't know why. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tifa. If you don't know who I am, like, why don't you know who a sister is though? Okay, I am Tifa. I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and if you are returning subscriber, welcome back. Okay, so this video is about this beautiful look. You know, it is the season of love. Valentine's is what's going on right now, and I just decided like create a look inspired by Valentine. Although this look, you can wear it on your birthday, you can wear it on your dinner, you can wear it anytime, anywhere, because it's a beautiful pink cut crease look. So yeah, okay, so if you want to see how I created this look, this whole thing, all this hot cake, if you want to see how I transform myself, just keep watching this video, guys. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to click the subscribe button down below and click on the bell like thing beside it to get notifications anytime I post a video. And also don't forget to follow me on social media, blah 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 blah. You guys know, if you do like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up at the end of this video. Okay, and let me know how you feel about this look in the comment section down below. So now, without further ado, without any more talking, you know, let's just dive into the video. Hi guys, before I start, let me just apologize in advance for any noise you might be hearing. Okay, so now I'm just priming my face with my Pond's Lasting Oil Control Primer, putting that on my lid and whatnot. And I'm doing my brows on camera today with my MAC pen, so I feel like my brow routine has changed. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys how to do my brows now. So just outlining the down part, then going on top and also outlining the top part. Oh my god, what is that noise? I'm just outlining the top part, so filling in my brows and creating some strokes in front. So now I'm going in my skin concealer from Nuban Beauty in the shade 046 to just conceal the under part of my brows, then going in with my foundation shade and use that to conceal like the whole of my brows. I do this because after I've put that concealer, there's going to be this light highlight at the arc part of my brows. I don't know if you understand me. Okay, so now I'm just blending out all that foundation I used to define my brows. So now moving to the eye, guys. Today we have a pink cut crease look, so I'm just putting concealer first and blending that out. So now I'm using my Huda Beauty palette. Yeah, I love that palette, by the way. So I'm going into the shade Man Eater and I'm packing this on my crease. Basically, like, this is the most important shade in this because it's the whole pink look altogether. And yes, they did take light, they actually took light Nigeria, thank you. Okay, so now I'm going into that shade and I'm just blending it out. That's the shade Flamingo. Yeah, so now I'm going into Cocoa and Black Truffle mixed together, and I'm just using that to define, like, give my lid more definition. I'm also just blending it out. This look you can wear anytime to any occasion. It is a very, very nice look. So now I'm just going to cut my crease. Yeah guys, so Valentine, who has a date? Let me know in the comment section what you're going to be doing for Valentine this year. So now I'm going to go into that shade Black Truffle and Cocoa and like just try to smoke out my outer V, and also use the shade Man Eater also to like just blend it out and transition into my cut crease. So now I'm going into the shade Rose Gold from that palette and I'm just applying that all over my lid. This is a very, very simple pink cut crease look and I really love it, guys. I was going to add glitter on this look, but then I decided that, oh, I beg, oh my god, this noise is driving me crazy. So now I'm just using my inglot gel liner to like apply me some wing liner. You know, a wing liner is always important. It's always important when you are going on a date. So now using my lashes, and those lashes are from Nuban Beauty, by the way. They came in a set. So now I'm just using my Zaron mascara to like blend out the whole thing. So now moving to my face, I'm going to be using my foundation. I'm going to be mixing those two. I'm going to write them, I can't remember the names. I think C9 and C8 Cool from L'Oreal. So I'm just blending out my foundation like all over my skin. I used to use C9 alone, but I found out that it was just a bit too dark for me, so I decided to mix it with C8 and it turns out it's my perfect shade mixed together. So now for contour, I'm going to go into my Nuban Beauty concealer in 049, and you guys know this is my Holy Grail contour concealer. So I'm just going to contour all places I usually contour. That's no new thing. I wonder what this noise is. Anyways, so now I'm just contouring my whole face. Now for highlight, I'm going to go into the shade 046 that I used on my brows earlier. I'm just blending that out with my Nuban Beauty blender, like so, guys. The bridge of my nose, everywhere you just normally highlight. That's no new thing. My forehead, you know, just trying to blend that and have that. So I'm going to use the mini product that I have on my beauty blender to just like try to outline my highlight. I don't know if you understand. So I'm using my Sacha buttercup setting powder now. I'm going to all the places that I highlighted before, and I'm using that to set it. I'm going to be baking today because you want to look so baked and good. So now to set my contour, I'm going to use my Maybelline powder in the shade Cocoa, rather Cacao, to set my contour and all that. So now just reverse contour with powder. This is, I don't know, I can't do makeup without doing that. So now I'm just dusting off all the powder I have on my face. Try not to look as crazy as I look right now. So now I'm going to be using my Zaran powder to set the whole of my face and blend the contour and highlights together, like so. Just tapping that into my skin. No big deal. Oh my lord, this noise. So now I'm just applying eyeliner under my bottom liner, and I'm just going to be smoking out my bottom liner with the first shade I used, and also you guys see what I'm doing, right? Okay, so now I'm applying blush. Now this is blush from my BH Cosmetic blush palette. I'm applying this, and I learned to apply blush in my nose from Karakobi. I don't know if you guys know her. So now I mistakenly could not record me highlighting my face, which I am very angry about. But yeah, so now just applying mascara to my bottom lash to make it look good. So now for the first lip look I did, I'm going to be going in my Zara lip liner in the shade Vivid, just outlining my lip with that. I'm going to change this lip later. You guys obviously know that already because this is not what I started with in the beginning of the video. So yeah, I'm going in my Cookie lip powder in the shade Whimsy, and then I'm just blending that out with my gloss. And yeah, so this is like the first lipstick look, guys. So let me apologize again. I did not record myself setting spray and all that. I don't know why I keep forgetting to press the play record button every time. So yeah, but guys, this is the finished look, and I hope you guys like this look. Let me know what you'll be doing for Valentine, but don't forget to love yourself first. That is the most important part. Okay guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.